Welcome back, designers. In this short video, I'll show you how to create this hamburger menu icon animation in Figma. First, let's find an icon for our menu. I'm using the Hugicon's icon library plugin. It's fast and everything works properly. Also, I'll leave the Figma file with this animation in the description so you can use it. Alright, we've got the icon. Let's slightly adjust the background so we can see our work more clearly. Next, select the icon and wrap it inside a frame. Apply Auto Layout to that frame. Now customize the button the way you like. Adjust the padding, corner radius, and fill color. Our default button state is ready. Let's duplicate it and create a pressed state, or the open state. To do this, completely hide the middle line of the icon. Then adjust the top and bottom lines so they form an X shape. Now let's animate it. Select both button states, create a component set, and add an interaction animation on click. Let's test it to make sure everything works correctly. Yes, everything works perfectly. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if there's any animation you'd like to see next, leave a comment. I'll make it.